of you guys, can you hear me right? Right. So guys, yesterday we discussed about right if block, simple if and if else statements, guys. Right. These two we discussed in the previous class. Which one? Simple if statement and the if else statement. Right. So on those two we have done two examples also, guys. Like an example by using the marks, and the second one by using the age, right? Age, guys. Okay, age. Right. Now I comment this one. Right. Now let us see one more program. One more program by using the simple if and the if else blocks. Right. So the requirement is all of you. The requirement is we take one number from the user. We take one number from the user. That number we have to check whether is it even number or odd number, guys. Okay, all of you. What is third program? Like checking the user number. The user number is even or odd. Checking the user number is even or odd. Even or odd. All of you guys. Okay. Right. Now, here what do we do now? All of you observe. We'll take one number from the user, guys. Okay. We'll take one number from user. I ask user enter number. So, input of enter any number. Any number. Whatever number he gives, that reads in which format? String format. We can convert either eval or int functions using, and then assign to some n variable, guys. Assign to what? N variable. Assign to n variable. Okay, n variable. Right. Now let's observe here. So here he will give that number like maybe some 10 number or 15 or 20 or 25, like that he gives some number, guys. He gives some number. Okay, right. So whatever number he gives, that number assigned to which one? Assigned to n variable. All of you. Okay, right. Now, so in that n variable, whatever number is there, that we have to check is it even or odd. How to check it now? How to know whether a number is even or odd, guys? Let me know how to check whether a number is even number or odd number. How to check it? How to check it, right? So that number modulus 2. That number modulus 2. Right? If you do modulus operation, the remainder may be 0 or maybe some number, guys, right? Remainder may be 0 or maybe 1. If you do modulus 2, the remainder will be either 0 or 1. If remainder is 0, that means given number is even number. If remainder is 1, means given number is odd number. That is logic, guys. That is logic, right? All of you are clear now about the logic, guys? All of you guys are clear, guys, about the logic now? Just see, for example, he is giving how much, guys? He is giving 25, right? 25, guys. Now, what do I do here? What do I do? So we do it like that 25 modulus 2. Modulus 2. Even number or odd number means we do by 2 only, guys, compulsorily. By 2 only. Okay, the result should be either 0 or 1 compulsorily, guys. When we do modulus 2, result will be 0 or 1. 0 or 1 compulsorily. suppose if you do, suppose guys 25, suppose by modulus 3 for example, the remainder will be which one? It can be 0 or 1 or 2, right? Suppose if I do 25 modulus 4 generally remainders will be what here? Remainders will be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, right? All of you. That is what here, that modulus guys, okay, modulus, right? And I am modulus by 2, that means what? Answer will be, remainder will be either 0 or 1. If it is 0, that means what? Even number guys. 0 means given number is even number. If it is 1, given number is odd number. Given number is odd number, that's all. Very simple guys, okay. So now what do I do? If that number means what? N modulus, okay, modulus guys, right? Modulus 2 equal to 0. Allow equal to 0. If it is 0, allow. Okay, so I said that 25. This is called division operator, guys. This is what division. But modulus means what? Modulus means like a percentage symbol we use, guys. This is the modulus. It gives remainder. It gives what? Remainder, either 0 or 1, guys. 0 or 1 remainder. Allow. Okay, right. Now, if remainder is 0, that means what? This n is even number, guys. In that case, I am displaying what here? I am displaying like that given number, right? What is given number? I am taking the placeholder. That number is what? Is a even number. That number is what? Even number, guys. That's all. Whatever number that user is giving, that number is what? That number is even number. Now I am using the F formatting. Yesterday I have explained what is the meaning of F here, right? That's all. Just I want to make it only simple if, guys. Simple if means what? If condition is true, then the block will execute. That's all. Now run the program. Run the program. Yes, you can observe now. I am giving something 20 guys, right? 20 I am giving. Now I am giving the 20. The 20 is reading by which one? The 20 is reading by which function? Input function assigned to what? N. Now what is the n value? N value is 20, right? 20 guys. N value 20. Now that 20, observe here. That 20, okay. Now that 20 modulus 2. So 20 modulus 2 means what? Tell me here. Like 20 we take here, then modulus 20 means like this, right? 2 tens are how much here? 2 tens are 20, guys, right? 20. What is remainder? Remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. That's all. Remainder is 0, guys. Here, all of you guys. What is remainder? 0. That means what is the given number? The given number is what? Even number, guys. Given number is what? Even number. So now the condition is true, it executes. That will display like this. Suppose I run the program again. I am giving something 23. What number I am giving? I am giving 23. Now the 23 is taken by which one? Input function assigned to what? N. Assigned to what? N. How much value? 23. Right? Now n modulus 2. N modulus 2 means 23 modulus 2, right? So 23 modulus 2, it means what here? How you take works? 2, then 23 like this. Now, so guys observe here. Now how much here? 2 11s, right? 2 11s, guys. How much here? 2 11s. How much here? 22. What is remainder? Remainder is 1, right? Remainder is 1, guys. 1 means what is the meaning here? Condition is false because that n value is which value? Odd number. If 1 means what? The given number is odd number. If it is odd number, condition is false. Condition false means this will not execute. At the same time, there is no else block, guys. No else block. So it displays what here? Empty. It displays what? Just empty, guys. Okay, empty. That's all. all of you. This is what simple if, guys. Now what extra I want here, if I give 23 for example, then I want display 23 is odd number. In that case, just we add else block, then else means what, automatically false odd number one, right? So we'll take here f, we take the f, that n is odd number, that is odd number, okay, odd number, guys. Yes, now observe here, I am giving 23, then 23 is what, odd number, all right. So the same again, it go to here and assign to n modulus 2, 23 modulus 2, 0, true or false, false. Then go to else block, it executes automatically which one, else block, output will display. What is output here? 23 is odd number. 23 is which number? Odd number, guys, okay. It is odd number, that's all of you, right? So this is what a simple if and if else block, guys, okay. If else block, all of you, right? So like this, what we do, we can make multiple programs by using which one, simple if and if else block, guys, if else block, all of you, okay. So now how many programs over, guys? Here 3 programs over, 3 programs, okay. We have seen 3 programs, guys. Right, in Python we have seen 3 examples, right? Like which one, marks age and what here, even and odd number, okay. Odd numbers, guys, here odd numbers, right? In the same way, we can try like we can try like which one, positive number or negative number, guys. Same, positive, negative. If n equal to or if n greater than 0, that means what, positive number. Else means what, negative, okay. Negative number, guys, right? Negative number, that's all of you, right? Now let us try one more simple example, guys. Like a simple login system, guys, okay. Let's try simple example. So see, generally to log into any website, any website compulsorily we require what, username, password, right, guys? We require compulsorily username, password, okay. Now I ask user, enter your username and password, and if both are correct, I display login successful. If anyone is not correct, if anyone is wrong, I display what here, login failed. I display what, login failed, guys, okay. That is what we do now. So for that one, I ask user, which one here, tell me, enter username, right? Username, guys. Username is always string only. We take just user, that's all. And also I ask user, enter password, okay. Enter password. Then we'll take just a password equal to, right? Password equal to. Now you can give any username, you can give any password, guys, okay. But if that username, right, username if equal to what is the username, suppose I am giving like Narayana is my username, guys, right? And that password also should match with my password. What is my password? Something nth 1 2 some number, guys, okay. 1 2 3 1 2 like that, right? Generally we'll have like this. This is my password, right? If both are matching with your data, then I display what here? I display login successful, right? Successful, that's all. Login successful. If anyone is wrong, then I display what here? Else, and display what here? Simply login failed, that's all. Login failed, guys. Let's see here. What is your username? Suppose I am giving the username correct name, guys. I am giving the password. I am giving password also Narayana at 3 to 1 like this. All of right. What is your username? Tell me guys here. What is the username you are giving Narayana, right? What is the name you are giving? Narayana giving. Okay. And what is the password you are giving here? Narayana at 3 to 1. We are giving here Narayana at 231. Now in the user variable, what is there here? Tell me. What is there here? Narayana, right? Narayana. Here also Narayana. This is correct, guys. This is the true. This condition is true, right? It is true, guys. And coming to password, what password you have given here? Narayana at 3 to 1, right? And now the same password Narayana at 231 matching with what NTH 231. So 231. Both are matching? No. This is what? False. This is false. Now, if you observe here, true and false, guys. True and false. All right. We discussed the operators. And operator. How to work with and operator, or operator, not operator, right? And means what? If both are true, this is true, then total is true. Total is true. If anyone is false, then completely false. So here this is false. That means what? Completely the total if is false. Then go to where else block and execute what? Login failed, guys. Login failed. Because my actual password is what? NTH 3 to 1. But what you are giving here, you are trying which one? Narayana 3 to 1. So that's why both are not matching. It displays what? Login failed, guys, right? Login failed. All of you. Okay. Suppose, let me try now. I am giving the username Narayana and password NTH at 3 to 1. In this case, guys, let me know. In this case, all of you guys will reply. So right now, is it true or false now? What is the answer, guys? Here I am giving the username password. Now, guys, let me know. Is it true or false? Is it the answer is success or failure? What is the answer, guys? Here, what is the answer? Is it success or fail, guys? What is the answer here? Guys, you reply now. What is the answer? Login fail, login success. Because I am giving the username Narayana, password NTH 321, right? But still, what is the answer now? If you observe now, password also NTH at 321, and also I am giving NTH 321, both correct only spelling. But finally, the output is success or failure. All of you guys will reply. Right. So what happens here? Even though your username is matching, guys. Okay. What username you are giving here? You are giving username Narayana. Okay, that is matching, guys. Right? Your username is matching. And what password you are giving here? Small NTH, right? You are giving the password is what? NTH at the rate. This is what you are giving, right? But what is there here? NTH is there. But here we are giving lowercase NTH. But what is there here? Uppercase NTH is there. Lowercase, uppercase, both are not same. Even the same spelling is there, but both are not same case. That's why. So finally, what is there here? This is the false. This is what? True. True and false what? Totally false only. Totally false, guys. Then it go to where else block displays what? Login failed. It displays login failed. Now run the program again, and I am giving correctly both NTH at 3 to 1 like this. Then now, so login successful, guys, right? Login successful, right? So like this we can do an example, guys. Okay, an example. All of you. I comment this one. Right. Suppose, guys, let's see weather, guys, right? Weather also temperature, right? Generally, the temperature, if it is 30 above guys, right, it's very hot. 30 below, we can decide as a normal weather guys, right, normal weather. So now we ask about temperature checking guys, okay, temperature checking, right, checking guys. Now we ask someone enter the temperature, okay, temperature guys, right, temperature will be some integer format, right, so we convert here either by using int or eval. We take something temperature like this, we take the temperature guys, okay. So here it gives temperature maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 30, maybe some 50, you can give something 60 like that, right, all of you. But generally we decide, suppose if temperature, observe guys here, if that temperature, the value which you are giving is greater than 30, for example, okay, 30 guys, right, 30, I can display like what it is a hot day, that's all, right. Else means if it's less than 30 less than 30, then I can display like what here, weather is normal, weather is what, normal, okay, normal guys. Temperature what today 20 temperature, then what displays, weather is normal. Temperature I am giving something 40, then it is very hot today. Temperature I am giving something exact 30, also which one, weather is cool, because weather is normal. Because here, see what I am saying now, if temperature is greater than 30, above 30, not 30 guys, above 30 means 31 and above 31, at that time displays what, weather is hot. Below 30, right. Now guys observe here, see this is above 31, 30 means what guys, it means what, 31 and 32 and so on guys, right, okay. If it's 30 I am giving 30, right, it means what, 30 greater than 30, true or false, it is false guys, right, 30 greater than 30, true or false, it is false, that's why it goes to where, else block, displays what, weather is normal, all of you. All of you guys, let me know, everybody, is it clear now? Right. Now what do we do here? What do we do now? Let's talk about the third one, that is what, elif statement guys. That means, see, in all these examples guys, I am checking only one condition only one condition in this program. Here also only one condition checking, right. These all 5-6 programs either if or if else, what is happening, checking the only one condition guys, right, checking the only one condition. But now what I want here, now, I want to check 2 or more conditions guys, 2 or more conditions in the same single program. I want to check 2 or more conditions, then you go for what, elif statement guys, okay, elif statement. Let us observe here how to work with the elif statement. This is simple if and if else, that we know, right, okay. This is what we have seen yesterday guys, right, if else and simple if. Now what do we do here? Let's go with the next one, that is what, elif, right, elif statement. So for elif statement, all of observe, I will take here elif statement, okay, guys observe here, elif statement, right. So in elif statement, same guys, okay, first to check the one condition, This is suppose execution flow, guys. Observe all of you. This is execution flow, okay. And then we check the first condition, guys, here, because here we check multiple conditions, right? This is the first condition. This is what the first condition, okay. So guys, observe now. This is the condition 1, right? Condition 1, guys. It is condition 1. Condition 1. In the condition 1, it can be commonly true or false. It can be true or false, right? See, if it is true, one block executes. If it is false, another block, right, guys? All of you. It is true means execute the block. If condition is false, then check the second condition, guys. All of you. Second condition. So if condition is true, execute the block. One block, okay. Block means what, guys? As we know, set of statements. Block means a set of statements execute. If condition is false, then it executes what here? It will check the another condition. It will check another condition. Condition 2, guys, okay. So this is what here, if condition is true, right? First one. This is what condition is true, and this is what condition is false. If condition is false, that will what happens here? Check the second condition. This is what condition 2, guys, okay. This is the condition 2. Right, and this is called what here? It's called a following block. It's following the condition, right? It's following the condition. So this is called a following block. Right. Again here, this condition, again guys, this condition, it can be true or it can be false. It can be false. If it is true, again execute the block. If it's false, check the third condition. All of right. Check the third condition, okay. So right, and this is what here condition 3. So like that every time if the condition is false, then go for another condition, guys, okay. Go for another condition, right? Another condition, guys, like this. So this is what it is the true, and this is what here it is the false, right? And again this is what here it is the following block. It is the following block, and this is what now? This is what here condition 3, guys, okay. This is condition 3. So like that, guys, right? You can take multiple conditions here. Now I am going to make it on swan, okay. I am going to make it on swan, guys, right? Again, if it is true, if it is false, again another condition, right? Another condition, guys. All of you. If it is false, means another condition. On swan, here we take the on swan, guys, okay. Like that it happens. At last, we take what again? One block, guys. We take the one block. That block is called else block, guys, okay. What you call else block. So now both are blocks only. Finally, here one block is there. Here one block is there, guys, okay. One block is there, right? And finally here also one block, guys. Here also one block is there. That's all. Both are blocks only. And this is what here. If it is true, if it is what false, right? False. And this is what here. This is what again it is following block, guys. And this is what here it is the else block. This is what here else, right? Else block. All of you can observe here. So in this case, every time if the condition is true, guys, okay, observe here. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, okay, then what is happening here? Execute the block. Program stops. Program stops. Suppose if condition is false, if the condition is false, guys, okay, then check the another condition. Again, if it is true, execute the block and the program stops. Suppose if it is false, then check the next condition. Next condition. Again, if it is true, execute the block, program stops. Program stops, guys. Okay, program stops. If it is false, for example, if it is false, then go to next condition and so on. After all conditions are false, guys. After all conditions are false, it go to finally which one? Else block. So else block will execute. Else block will execute if all conditions are false. All of you observe here. The else block executing when? The else block executing when? Tell me now. When it's executing if all conditions are false, guys. All conditions are false. That's all. That's all, guys. All of you. Are you clear now? Right. Now, what do I do here? What do I do now? I am going to the previous marks example, guys. Okay. I am going to the previous marks example. See, in that case, just we displayed just pass or fail, right? Pass or fail, all of you. Just we displayed what here? Pass or fail. But I don't want just only pass. I want display to him the grade also. The grade, guys, okay? Which grade he got? He got like A grade, B grade, C grade, like that. So what do I do? The same program, guys, just I am copying from here and I am pasting here, right? If he is failed, okay. But if he is, see what I want to do now, I want to make the multiple conditions, guys, right? So the marks can be any marks that we know. Now simply if see first of all, what are the failed marks? Tell me, what are the failed marks? 0 to 34, right? 34, guys, okay. If marks greater than or equal to 0 means 0 and above 0 and that marks less than, okay, less than how much here? 35, that's all. Less than 35, guys, okay. So if you get the marks within this range, right? Suppose you get the marks, suppose 20 marks, guys, we are giving 20. So 20 above 0, it is true. 20 less than 35, it is true, right? Both are true. All right? Both are true. At that time we display what here? What display here? You are failed, guys, right? We display you are failed, okay? You are failed in exam. That's all. You are failed in exam. That's all, guys. Okay. When if the marks between 0 to 35, right? Now suppose 35 to 50 marks, guys. 35 to 50 marks. Again, what we do? If marks above are equal to 35 means 35 and above 35 and that marks below 50 less than 50, then I want to display what here? You passed with which grade? Some D grade marks. That's all, guys. You passed, but what is the grade? With the D grade up to 50. Okay. Now again, if now 50 to 60, guys, I will take 50 to 60. Okay. Now I'll take the marks greater than or equal to 50 means 50 above 50 and the marks less than 60, below 60. I want display you passed, okay? You passed with what? With B grade, okay? With B grade, guys, right? B grade marks, but here not the D. I just take the C, B, A. That's all. This is C, guys, okay? C grade, B grade, and 60 to 75, guys, okay? Next one, if that marks greater than or equal to 60 above 60 and marks less than 75 means below 75, guys. Below 75, I want display you you passed with which marks? A grade marks. Okay, A grade marks, guys. A grade. 75 to 100. 75 to 100. Which one? Distinction, guys. Right. Again, if the marks range above or equal to 75 and the marks less than or equal to 100 up to 100, guys. Okay. Then I want to display what here? You got distinction. DSTN distinction, guys. Yes, you got a distinction. That's all. All of right? Distinction. Now else. Else means what, guys? Let me know. Else means what? Say I told you very clearly. When the else block will execute, tell me here. When the else block will execute, else block will execute if all conditions are false. First condition false, then second condition false, then third condition false, and all conditions are false. Else block will execute, right? So here else block means what? Else block means what here? All must fail. Means it must be false. It is false, right? It is false. Okay, it is false. If all are false, guys, if all conditions are false, it will execute. Now tell me, when all are false, guys, tell me, for which marks, these all are false, guys, tell me. For which marks, for what marks, these all are false. If the marks below 0, if the marks above 100, that's all of right. If the marks below 0, like -1, -2, -10, for that one, all conditions are false. Or the marks above 100, 101, 102, 110, 120, at the time also false, right? That means both are invalid marks. Less than 0, above 100, both are invalid marks. I want display, right? Okay, what I want display? Suppose 120 are invalid marks. 120 are invalid marks, or -10 are invalid marks. Like this, I make the program. Now, let me know, guys. Everybody, is this clear, guys? Now, let me know, guys. Is this clear or not? Now run the program here. Sorry, here display what marks, right? Correct. Run the program. I am giving first 20 marks, guys. 20 marks. Then we can see now what is the marks value I am giving here. 20, right? I am giving 20. What is the number? 20, guys. Okay, that number is 20. Right? Now observe here. The 20 is also how much here? 20. Now compare. 20 greater than 0, true or false? Okay, it is true. 20 greater than 0, true. 20 less than 35, true or false? True. Both are true, guys. Okay, both are true. That means finally this if is true. If is true, it executes the block. Then it gives output. The remaining conditions will not check. That's all, guys. Remaining conditions will not check. Remaining conditions. All of observe here. Remaining conditions will not check. It will check one by one. Wherever condition is true, it stops there. It executes the block. It executes corresponding block. The following block. It gives output. That's all. It terminates the program. It will not go for the remaining conditions. That's all. All of you, right? That's what I told you here. Observe now. Suppose, see, all of observe here. Condition 1 is true. Then execute the block, stop the program. That's all. It will not go again for condition 2 also. No, because condition is true. Execute the block. That's all. Suppose condition 1 is false. Then false means what? Go to condition 2. Check the condition 2. If it is true. Condition 2 is true, then it will display, it will execute the corresponding block. That's all. The remaining conditions will not check. All of right? Okay. Here also same thing guys. Here also same story. Everywhere same story guys. That's all. Now you can see now. You are failed in the exam. Next one. I am giving here something like some 40 marks guys. Okay. 40 marks. And observe here. What is the marks value? What is the max value? Marks right? 40. Here also 40, right? 40. Now check the first one. 40 greater than 0. True or false? This is the true. It is the true guys. 40 less than 35. True or false? This is the false. Now true and false. What is there? And right? True and false. Finally, this is what false guys. Condition 1 is false. Then go to condition 2. Condition 2. Here also, what is the marks value? What is the marks value here? 40. What is the marks value here? 40. Now again, 40 greater than or equal to 35. It is true. 40 less than 50. It is true. Both are true. True and true. Then the answer is true. If it is true, execute the block, display the output. That's all. Now which grade? C grade marks guys. Like that everything, every block. Suppose I am giving something like 99 guys. Okay, 99. Now check all one by one. So it is the false. Next it is the false. Next it is the false. Right, all of you. Like that all are false guys. Okay, all are false. And here this is true or false. It is true because 99 greater than 75 true. 99 less than 100 true. Both are true. Displays what? You got distinction. Distinction. Right. I am giving 120 marks. What I am giving here? 120 marks guys. Okay. If I give 120 marks, all are false. The last what else block displays 120 are invalid marks. Or I am giving something minus 10 guys. Here also same all are false. Else will execute minus 10 are invalid marks. Minus 10 is or whatever it is. Okay. Invalid marks guys. Invalid marks. That's all. All of you. This is the one program guys. This is the one program that we do by using what? By using multiple conditions guys. Okay. Multiple conditions. All of you. Right. Now in the same case guys, observe here. Let's go to suppose see guys, see here what I am displaying now. If both are correct, I display what? Login success. Both correct only, login success guys, right? Suppose username is correct, password is wrong, then display your password is wrong. Let us try that one also guys. Okay. Let us try that one also. I copy this one guys here, and the same program I am going to implement by using multiple conditions. Now guys, observe here. We take the username password. Okay, username password guys. If both are correct, display login success. Login which one? Success guys. Okay, success all of you. Right? What we do here, we can take first let's take elif guys. Elif means what? That if is false, right? If is false, I take the elif. Username you are giving Narayana. Okay, username Narayana you are giving, right? And password okay, password, right? Password suppose if you take not equal to which one? NTH at the rate like this. Let us try guys in this case. No, this is wrong, right? Okay. Then so guys here this you can control more by using fourth type guys. What is fourth type? Nested if. Right? If in the another if guys. Okay. if in another if. So this we will see the next example, guys. The same example we develop little bit more by using multiple conditions, by using nested if. That we see in the fourth type, guys. Okay, what is the fourth type? What is the fourth type, guys? Let me know. Nested if, right? There we will see very clearly, guys, about this one. All of you, right? That is okay. Now let us try. Suppose the age program, guys. Okay, age program. All of you observe. Enter your age, right? Just guys observe now. We'll take eval. We'll take the eval here. Then age, right? See, guys. Generally, all of you in our age, first we call child, then teenager, then adult, then senior citizen, guys, right? Okay. So we have different stages, right? Different stages. Suppose if the age less than 13 means 12, below 12, then you are what here? Okay, you are a child. That's all. You are a child, guys. You are a child. Suppose if the age not less than 13, it's less than 20 is the, guys. Okay, less than 20 means what? Up to 19, 13 to 19. Then you are what here? Okay, so you are a teenager. Okay, teenager, guys, right? Teenager. Again, suppose if that age above 20 and less than, suppose 60, guys, less than 60, below 60, then we display what here? You are an adult, 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 that's all, right? Adult. Else, guys, else means what? Remaining age above 60, above 60, then we display what here? We display what? We display above 60 above 60 means what you call it, guys, here? Senior citizen, right? Okay, so you are a senior, right? Senior citizen, okay, citizen, that's all, guys, right? Now run the program. What is your age? I am giving something 30. Observe, guys, here. What I am giving now? I am giving 30 here, right? I am giving 30, okay, 30. Now the 30 is taking by which one? First this input, guys, are giving to what age? What is the age? 30 here. Now 30 less than 13, true or false? It is false, right? It is false, guys. Okay, this is the false. It is the false. Next, go to elif. What is the age again here? 30 less than 20, true or false? It is false again. It is the false, guys, right? It is also false, right? Okay, it is the false. Next, go to again next condition. 30 less than 60, true or false? It is true. It is true, right? It is true, guys. Then display what here? You are an adult. You are an adult, guys. That's all. Right? Now we can observe here adult. Run the program. Suppose I am giving something like a 61, guys. 61 I am giving. Right. Now let me know, guys. Let me know what output will display here. Let me know what output will display, guys. All of you. All of let me know. What is the answer here? What is the answer, guys? Tell me now. What will display? You are a senior citizen. Senior citizen, guys. That's all. All of you. So like this, what we do? We can check multiple conditions, guys. We check what here? Multiple conditions. Guys, if you observe, we done the one program, which program, even odd number, guys, right? Even odd number. But this program, in this program, a small problem is there. A small problem is there. What is that problem means? Observe here. All of you, right? Observe now. See, if I give suppose, if I give something 30, displays what? Even number, right? If I give something 11, displays what? Odd number, right? That we know, guys. We know even numbers, odd numbers very well, right? That we know very well. Now my question is, if I give the 0, if I give minus value also displays, guys. I am giving minus 12, it displays what? Even number, right? Even number. I am giving minus something 11, displays what? Odd number, right? For even numbers, for odd numbers, we can decide is it even or odd. But my question is, if I give the 0, then tell me, guys, now what output will display here? All of let me know. If I give the 0, what output will display? All of you. Does it display, is it even number or odd number? Tell me, guys, now what will display here? All let me know what output will display here. All of you guys. Even number? What is displaying here? Even, right? Even number, guys. Okay, even number. Even number displaying. All of you, right? Suppose, so in this case, what I want now, all of you, when the 0 is given by user, I don't want display even or odd. I just want display user or you are giving 0. I want decide even or odd for non-zero values. For above 0 or for below 0, I want decide. If you are giving 0, then I don't want display even number. Like that we try, guys. Like that we try now. For that, what we do here? First of all, check it now. If that number is 0, now first check it. If it 0 means what? You can say that here you are giving, right? Giving 0 like this. And then next we take what here? A leaf, right? A leaf. Then modulus 2. Then it's even number, guys. Okay, even number. Now observe here, guys. Now I am giving the 0. Now you are giving 0. In this case, what is happening? All of you, the same number taking by input function assigned to n. N is what now? 0, right? 0. Now n equal to 0, true or false? It is true. Then the block executes. It displays what? We are giving 0. It will not check the next condition, guys. No, it won't go for next condition. If the condition is true, the corresponding block will execute, output will display. That's all. It will not go to the which one? The next condition. It stops there only. All right. So here again, what we used? We used elif, right? If elif, guys. If elif. All of you. So like that, there are a lot of scenarios, guys. Scenarios where we can use a elif statement. Simply, if we think multiple conditions, then what we do, we can use a elif, right? Suppose, guys, observe now, all of observe here. See, sometimes we use a rating, right? Suppose if you go to, if you use Ola, right? Ola or Rapido, at the end we give some rating, guys, right? Rating, like 1 to 10 rating, or sometimes they give some smileys. Click on the smiley, like sad to happy smiles, right? So like that. So now what do? I take the rating from the user between 1 to 10 numbers, guys. Okay, 1 to 10. All of you observe here this example, very interesting. So what do I do here? From user, I take the which one? Like which one? Rating, right? If he is giving either 1 or 2 or 3, means what here? very disappointed, right? Disappointed, guys, very disappointed. If he is giving a 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5 he is giving a, then just disappointed, that's all. If he is giving a 6 comma 7, right, then suppose happy, guys, that's all. Disappointed and happy, right? Happy. And then 8, 9 and then 10, very happy, that's all, guys, right? But I want here, I want very happy, that's the meaning, right? So now if user gives either 1 or 2 or 3, I want to display what here, okay, the user is very disappointed. If he is giving either 4 or 5, I want to display what, disappointed, right? Or 6, 7, I want to display what, he is happy. Or 8, 9, 10, I want to display the user is very happy, like that. Again here we take 4 conditions, guys, right? 4 conditions. All of observe here. We ask user, okay, enter your which one rating, right? Rating between 1 to 10, like this, guys, okay, 1 to 10. Just we say 1 to 10 between, but sometimes you can give any number, guys, right? You can give 20, 30, 40 or -1, -2 also, like that, right? All of you. So in that case, what do I do? See now, if rating in it can be either 1 or 2 or 3, guys, okay? All of you. See, rating means what? Suppose I am giving rating something 2, guys, right? 2. So what is the number here? 2, right? 2. Now 2 in 1, 2, 3. Like which operator I am using here? In operator, guys, right? We have worked very well by using in operator for checking purpose whether this number is available or not available. The 2 number is available here, so I display what now? If it's available there, what does it meaning? Okay, you are very disappointed, right? Thank you for bad service. Sorry for bad service, like that, guys. Okay. Next again, if that rating in which number 4 comma 5, right? 4 comma 5. Then print off what here? Tell me now. You are just disappointed. Okay. That's all. Next one again, if the rating in which number? Tell me here. 6 comma 7, then print off what here? You are happy, that's all, very happy. And next again, if that rating in which number? Something 8 or 9 or 10, then what is meaning here? You are very happy. You are very happy, that's all. Now else means what, guys? Here else means he is giving out of range number. Out of range means what? It can be less than 1, it can be more than 10, right? More than 10. So I display here, what display here? That rating is invalid, that's all. That rating is what, guys? Invalid rating, right? I am giving something 3, means what? You are disappointed. I am giving something 5, that means what? You are disappointed. That means you are giving something 7, you are happy. I am giving something 9, you are very happy. I am giving something 11, guys. That means what? 11 is invalid rating, right? And I am giving something -1, then you can see -1 is a invalid rating, that's all. All of you, right? So like this, guys, and we can use in our daily life, guys. In our daily life, that's all. All of you. See, in the above, the temperature example also, guys, okay? If you see temperature example also, the temperature example, I can take like, if above 30, I can display it is hot day, right? Above 30. Above 30 means hot day. About 20 means what, guys? Now about 20, right? 20, 30 means just it's a just small warm, right? A warm is little bit hot, guys. Little bit hot. 10 to 10, 20 to 10 means what? It's cool. It's cool, right? See, very simple example, guys. Observe here. What do I do now? See, these all examples, guys. We can add multiple conditions like this. All of you, okay? So, what's the example? Tell me here. If the temperature is less than, suppose 10, guys, less than 10. I want to display what here? Less than means very cold, guys, right? I can say it is cold, right? Cold day. Or it is very cold. It is very cold. Which one? Less than 10, right? Less than 10, guys. It's very cold. Now I'll take one more. If suppose the temperature is less than 20, then I can display like it is what? It is cool, right? It is cool, right? It is cool like this, guys. It is cool like that, right? And again, if temperature, okay, less than 30 means 20 to 30, guys, okay, 30, then I display it is warm, right? It is warm, guys, right? Warm means what? Little hot, guys, okay, not too much, little hot. Again, if temperature greater than or I'm using less than always. Less than, for example, right? Less than something 50, guys, right? 50. Then display what here? It's a very hot, right? Very hot, guys. Okay. And else means what? Else means what, guys? Here, okay. More than 50, right? I can display. Okay. Simply we cannot survive. That's all, guys. We cannot survive when if above 50, right? Let's see now, guys. I am giving something 4. Display what? Very cold, right? Very cold. I am giving what? Something 12 means what? It's cool. I am giving 22. It's warm. I am giving something 35. It's very hot. I am giving something 50. We cannot survive. Here, less than 50 means what? 50 below. Up to 50 below, very hot. 50 above 50, which one? We cannot survive, guys. Sometimes we see in some summers when that temperature is 55, 56 like that. That old people who are on the bed, they can't survive, guys, right? They cannot survive. The old people who are on the bed already ready to go, they can't survive when the temperature crosses 55, 56, like that. All of let me know. Everybody, are you clear, guys? These examples for today.